know. Those birds. Don't worry. If I could get oh boy. Yeah, that's a hard one, isn't it? Come here, baby. Can I get you back? Meow meow. Meow meow. I know. Meow meow. What have I got? Gotta sit. Gotta sit. Gotta make a choice. Yeah, gotta make a choice. Huh. That's a good choice. I like that. Can you crate for me now? Sorry. That's a good boy. Sit. Yeah, good choices. Yeah, let's get this out of the way. Oops, I need you in this way. Thank you, Jay. That's a good boy. It is. Boogie. Can you do anything with this food? Come here. Boogie. Yep. Oh, there it is again, huh, those birds. No, you're good. Come here. Come here, buddy. Come here. You're good. Search. Good boy. Boogie. Yeah. More. Yep, there. It's down there. It's down there, right there. Yeah, there you go. Come on. That's okay. Let me get this back open for you. Good. Boogie. Yep. Boogie. Think about it. Come here. Boogie. You're just going crazy. Let's try from the beginning. Great. That's a good boy. There you go. Get that? Good. Okay. Sit. You sit good. Yeah. Good boy. Oops. I think I left you someplace. Where did I leave you? Where did I leave you though? I left you someplace. I think you didn't. Oops. Sit. Oh, those damn flies. I know. Boogie. I don't break. Boogie. Good boy. Boogie. No. Come on. Gotta make a choice. Gotta make a choice. It's gonna be the bird or me. Bird or, I got this great food right here. You are so good. Good choice. Good choice. Now, Boogie. Oh, come here, baby. Boogie. Yes, good choice. Good choice. Good. Boogie. Oh, good choice. Good choice. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Can you go crate? That's so good. Boogie. Yes. It's a good choice. Good boy. Boogie. Yep. Very nice. Boogie. Yep. Good boy. Got it? Got everything? You sure? Boogie. Yeah. There you go. Okay, got a choice. You gonna be with me or are you gonna be out there? Hey, Boogie. Yeah, that's very nice. Whoops, let's try it again. Come here, mister. I know those birds. You're doing so well, Mel. Boogie. Boogie. Nice. Yay! Boogie. Oops. I know that bird. You're doing so well. Here, Mel. We're just gonna give you one. Those birds are right there. And they're teasing you. I know they are. Boogie. There's no question. Yeah. You're so good. Oh man, I can't believe you're doing this. I should take a picture of all those birds. You are doing a great job, buddy. Come on. Boogie. Yeah. Boogie. Yeah. Honey, look, there's the good stuff.